Hello everyone, I'm astrologer Tanuj Lalchandani and today I'm going to take you on a spiritual journey to Kokilavan where Lord Shani is worshipped wholeheartedly. Lord Shani is the planet of justice. He is called Karam Phal Data, which means he is the one who gives you the results of your actions, deeds and karma. We are here at Kokilavan Shani Dham in Kosi. This place is near Mathura and has an interesting story associated with it. Lord Shani was a great devotee of Lord Krishna. So one day Lord Shani decided to visit Lord Krishna at Nandgaon. Knowing that Lord Shani has arrived, Lord Krishna told him to wait outside the village. Lord Shani decided to do tapasya. So being happy from his tapasya at Kokilavan, Lord Shani was blessed by Lord Krishna in a form of koyal. He visited him in a roop of koyal. That is why it is called Kokilavan. Every Saturday, thousands of devotees visit this sacred place. Upon entering, we see a Hanuman temple. After offering prayers there, devotees do a parikrama which is approximately 3.5 kilometers long. It should be done barefoot and keep chanting Jai Shani Dev while circling the path. The parikrama culminates at the same Hanuman temple. After this, devotees visit the Shani temple and offer their prayers. Saturn is an important planet in astrology. Its phase lasts the longest in any horoscope. In order to appease Lord Shani and to remove the ill effects of Lord Shani, one should offer mustard oil, black urad dal, black sesame seeds and blue flowers on a Saturday, but one should remember not to buy this stuff on Saturday. One can buy it on a Friday. When you visit this temple with a pure heart and soul, Lord Shani will surely bless you and remove all the difficulties from your path. Jai Shani Dev.